What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be trying out this new 9 to 10 inch polisher by AutoSpa right here. I saw a couple good reviews on it. It only costs about 25 bucks at Walmart. I got an old Dodge truck I just bought and got a couple of dings and scratches on it. It wasn't worth putting the money into it to get a whole new paint job, so I was like, why not just go try this, polish it up, see if I can get a couple of these scratches out. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna get the truck pulled up around here so you guys can see. I'll show you some of the scratches I'm talking about. We'll see if this thing can do any work. We're gonna wash it first and then we'll test out this AutoSpa polisher. Here she is. As you can tell, got some paint blemishes right here. A little bit funky stuff going on with the grill there. But hey, we're gonna see what we can do. Got a few dings in her. The scratches back here, it was definitely a work truck when I got it. But for the price I got it for, hey, I couldn't resist. Had to go in and make the purchase. And actually, this is a 2006 model. For it to be a 2006, the interior didn't look half bad on it. We're gonna work on the interior too, see if we can clean it up a little bit, get a couple stains out. But yeah, I'm gonna hook up the pressure washer and then we'll pick you guys back up. We're gonna get this truck washed up real good, then we're gonna hook up the AutoSpa and see what she can do. Now I'm gonna fix up the little foam can. I got the Citrus Wash and Gloss by Chemical Guys. It just takes a couple squirts. Fill it up with some water. Swirl it around a little bit. She's ready. Got the truck fully covered with the chemical guys and the foam cannon. Now we're gonna wash her down. Now we're gonna dry this thing off with a microfiber towel and then get to the AutoSpa. We're gonna throw a little bit of tire shine on these tires. Using the Turtle Wax wet foam. Come back and wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Yes, sir. Old truck cleaned up pretty good. Oh yeah. We still gotta do our AutoSpa, but we got her cleaned up. Oh yeah. You can check out the speed of this thing. So it's got a bit of torque on it. It's not professionally graded, but it's too light. I'm gonna apply this all over the pad so we don't have any dry spots. I got some tape down here on the truck. I'm just gonna do a little spot so we can see the difference and see if any of these scratches come out off this hood. Try to spread some of this out on here. Get my microfiber towel. Oh wow. I hadn't even put the polish on it yet, the polisher pad. And boy, I can tell the difference. Golly. Not too bad for 25 bucks. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see here where I separated it, and right here is where I just buffed a little bit versus this over here. I don't know if you can really see these scratches on this camera, but I can definitely tell the difference. So we're gonna get the trucking along the rest of the truck, and I'll pick you guys up and show you the after product. Done. Finished product. The polisher, it didn't do too bad. It didn't get out all the scratches, but got out a good bit of them. Oh yeah. Even cleaned up the headlights a little bit. So, overall review. For a $25 buffer that you can buy at Walmart, for the money, I would say that it's worth it. Especially if you want to just throw a coat of wax on your car or something. It takes a little bit of time, but once you get it done, you'll get good finished product. But that's about all I got for you guys on this video. I'm gonna be making new videos detailing some cars, showing you guys a little bit of my tricks. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.